Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to show open to work on LinkedIn. So now without any further ado, let's start with the steps. So firstly, launch LinkedIn application on your mobile device. Now once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now simply tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner. Now tap on the option of view profile just under your name. Here we go. Now once you come to your main profile, tap on your profile picture. Now tap on the option of add frame at the bottom. Now over here you'll see the option of hashtag open to work. Tap on it. Now if you use this frame is visible to all LinkedIn members. Now tap on apply. You can also add what kind of work you are looking for. Tap on save after selecting it. So that's how you can simply show open to work on LinkedIn. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.